Introduction of Syp Brufen. Follow us on YouTube, Surgical Pro. Syp Brufen uses and side effects. Syp Brufen uses no 1 toothache pain, no 2 joint and muscle pain, number 3 headache, no 4 throat and ear pain, number 5 temperature, inflammation and swelling, side effects overdose, no 1 irritation of stomach, no 2 nausea, no 3 diarrhea and constipation, number 4 dizziness. Syp Brufen child dose recommended 20 milligrams to 30 milligrams per body weight. Thanks for watching Surgical Pro. Subscribe and like.